The Department of Telecommunication in the year 2024, working on the principle of only digging once, came out with right-of-way rules. Now, these rules were focused on allowing the telecom players, for example, the telecom operators, internet service providers and DSPs to be able to access underground cabling without having to pay different charges in different jurisdictions, and also reasonable charges so that the cost of the entire operation would not hamper the research work or the burdening of the customers. That is why the right-of-way norms were introduced. After that, 18 months to almost 2 years was spent on sort of making the entire norms, in coherence with the different jurisdictions and local authorities, states and union territories. However, as per several sources that ET Now has spoken to, the local authorities and private players and DISCOMs are still reluctant to work as per the norms that have been prescribed by DOT, and several operators are now thinking about taking the legal route or the legal action against those responsible for this. They have said that while there is usually no written rejection of their application to use the underground cabling, there is usually a delay induced in the entire process. It has also been brought to light that this hampers the research work that is being undertaken for 6G operations or introducing new technology as well, because they too need some testing room in terms of underground cabling, which is not very easy to get because the authorities are reluctant to act as per the norms that are already applicable.